Hey, green. Green. Green.
Can somebody give me a heart gun?
Green.
I'll give you a rare item for a heart gun.
Yeah. Quick,
Wait,
quick.
green.
I think I
Green.
have a hard
Can you put this in my head? Can you put this in my head, please? I can. I can. Yo, I'll
Wait,
give you something.
green.
I'll give you something.
Quick. Na-na-na-chi-da.
No. No, somebody give me a heart gun. Can somebody give me a heart
Quick.
gun?
Back.
Does someone want
Back.
to trade for a painter's tape?
I always wanted to hit you.
Does
Okay.
anyone want to trade for the tape?
Quick.
Glory.
No, you tried to know.
Ah, nice.
What? Yes. A little bit. What maybe we...
You want to be in a war code?
What's the code?
Want to be in a war code?
What's the
I'm
code?
hosting a war code.
What's the code?
Code is Homer. Homer. Bart Simpson.
Don't worry. Yo, let me see.
Dumb as hell.
Okay, wait, we're just talking up.
No,
We're
he's
talking
not dumb as hell. You are not host.
Oh, I'm sorry, boy.
Last one.
Sigma.
Last one to stage 5. Well, everybody who is not last. Everybody. First person to stage 5 gets an egg launcher RPG. Where's stage 5? Nothing really. I win. I'm at stage 5. We're up. I'm at stage 5. I'm right here. Okay, let's go to stage. Your supplier is the fox and the club. If you're here to do war, go to stage 5. Go to stage. Okay, let's go to stage 5. Go, come on. No stealing weapons. Yes, anything is allowed. Stealing weapons, shooting people, flying, shooting people. Do whatever you
You
want.
can't steal my weapons.
And stealing weapons is allowed.
You can't steal my weapons.
You're allowed to loot up in mid-round, by the way. If that, just in case. Bro, I don't have enough
How
money.
about you grab my body and take it away?
Okay, where's your...
I'll give you a rare item. Please, I'll give you a rare item. Just don't take my weapons.
No, it's literal.
Yes. Revive me. No. Please, revive me.
Remember, I'm host. It's not starting yet.
Revive me, please. I don't want to lose my items. Revive me. No, it didn't start yet. You can't
Yo,
do it.
stop! I don't care.
I am host, and I just fell
So what you
out of
get?
the floor. Wow. Cool.
Not one try, 2 shots. And since you're so bad, you actually suck.
Wow. Okay. No stealing what is at stage 5. Now I'm at spawn.
Kill him.
And I'm
Alright, make
coming
sure he
right now.
doesn't
The second I enter stage 5, everything
I
I'm
got
not
it, I
in stage
got it,
5
I'm
yet.
dead,
I'm
I'm
just here to split up now and go to different stages. Because everything is happening at stages, so everybody split up and get
I
ready
really
for the
didn't want to
race.
have to bring my secret weapon out. I'm killing you forever.
No, it's not. Bro, why did you have to take that?
I entered stages.
Okay.
Everybody.
Let's go.
Bro, Black Pug, where are you? Black.
It's gone now.
Wait, what? Is it not?
Where'd it go?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it disappeared. It actually disappeared. It Jenny disappeared. It just, I didn't do that. I'm sorry. I didn't do it. Go. Oh, little bub. Oh, bumpy little bub. Womp.
It's more on this side that's doing it, not on this side. This side's that worse.
It still looks cool though.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Yeah.
got the
So what, boy?
Hello.
Can I have that?
Hello.
Guys, let me. Guys, look. Let me just get this. Let me just do it.
No.
No.
I am the Homelander.
Hello.
Wait, guys.
Blue. Hello.
Guys, this is my share, okay?
Hello.
Hello, bro. Thanks, bro. Mine's, bro. Can I have that? Bro.
Where did you go?
Hello? Sitting on the chair. It's a
Why do you have a chair? Give me that
Sitting
chair
on
now.
the chair.
Bro, now.
Sitting
Now.
on the chair.
No!
Sitting. It's my chair, bro. Sitting on the chair.
Give me it!
Sitting on the chair. Sitting on that little chair. Chill, bro. Sit still.
Do not care!
Let me here. Revive me.
I am the Homelander!
That was me.